Alright, what's up bros and peeps? So ngayon, back again na naman po tayo sa isa pang bike check. Ayan, so iba-bike check po natin ang bike ni Kurt. Ayan, sa member ng OTV. Kurt, ang bike niya po ay Specialized SX Trail 2006 FSR. Alright, so let's get right into it.
Hear the sound of the bells when the love gone, and the boys unleash hell when the war's on. Bloodthirsty when the dogs put their paws on. You gon' tell them let it go a little bit.
Got a Specialized stem. Yan, Specialized stem. Shimano Pro FRS 800mm bars. Pero po kinat po yan ni Kurt ng 780mm. Alright, so let's get into the headset. Headset ay Cane Creek headset. Kita nyo? Alright. So baba naman tayo dito. We've got a Marzocchi Bomber Z1 Freeride. Right? So, isa pang ka-Marzocchi ito si Kurt. Ayan. Ito Bomber Freeride. 150mm travel. And we got sa rotors ay Avid G3CS 203mm rotors for the front. At Shimano BR-M447 brake calipers. Ayan. Right. And ang spokes pa natin ay DT Swiss spokes. And we have Maxxis High Roller 2 26x2.40 EXO protection. Yan. Front tire. And dito po tayo. Dito po sa dropper post natin, we've got X-Fusion dropper post 135mm travel. Alright, X-Fusion. External cabling. Pa po tayo dito. Got Fox Float RP3 for the rear shock. Alright. Po tayo. Pruvative Hasselfeld na cranks. Yan. Pruvative Hasselfeld. I think 32T. At meron tayo ditong Crank Brothers Stamp 3 Danny McCaskill Stamp 3. And back here we have Shimano Z Freeride and downhill short cage with clutch system, 10-speed rear derailleur, and na-series Shimano 11 to 3060 na 10-speed na cassette. Alright. And we've got Shimano Ice-Tech 160mm rear rotors and Shimano BRN447 rear brake calipers. And rear, ang ating rear rim ay Mavic EX721 rims for the rear. And Maxxis Shorty 26x2.30 rear tire. Alright. Mud tire po yan. Alright. And yung frame po natin, Specialized SX Trail Freeride frame 2006 model, long size. Alright. Enhanced aluminum built. Alright. FSR